Hello, my great and wonderful people. We welcome you once again to our today's episode of this program. And today we get this message for our table. We want to say one quickly review to Una concerning the things we want to say if they happen right now for inside this country, Nigeria. The first one and the one we say they receive when it concerned the Senate president's hometown when it say explosion hit so, and many people died and also many people injured. And the title of this one thought say, one fear dead, many injured as explosion hits Senate president's hometown. And the name of the place now Gashua. And this very message reached our table April 25th, 2022. All right, may we do small reading from inside this very one. May we understand what it caused this very explosion. Whether this one is still for the hand of bandits or maybe they put some kerosene for under their beds. All right. And as we put our hand there for inside this matter, the comic us understand say. And as we put our hand there for inside this matter, the comic us understand say. Residents for the place when we say that they call Gashua town, the headquarters of Bade local government area of Yobe States. And on Sunday, when it be 2 days ago, katakata burst out for the place because of loud explosion when it be see Iraq, the town. And still on top of the matter, they come make us understand, say, this Gashua so, when it be the hometown of the Senate president, now 188 kilometers north of Damaturu, when it be Yobe state capital, and also the ancestral home of the incumbent president of the Senate, when in name na Ahmed Lawan. And still on top of the matter, the contour say, this incident, so when it be say it caused this very fire, say now something when it be say it happened for beer parlor, for the place when it be say that they call Abasha area of the town, when it be say Muslim faithful, they observe their late evening prayer. And the contour say, anonymous source na intel our correspondent say that they observe the late evening prayer for about 8 p.m. and all of the sudden, which is suddenly, they hear a very loud explosion after the prayer. And according to the report, they say now something when they say they suspect to be IED, now it explode for the area when they say that they call Abasha so. And as we put our hand deep in the contours, although the whole story concerning this explosion, they never still gathered the finish as with the report now. And Daily Post, according to the information when it be said they gather so, say one person died for the process, while it be 7 others injured very, very well. And they evacuate these people when it be said they injured to specialist hospital for the same place when it be said that they call Gashua for medical treatment. As for the time when it be said that they report this very issue, so no group when it be say they claim responsibility for this very explosion. But many people believe say the incident na very similar one to the previous one when it be said they don't carry out by members of the dreaded Boko Haram group for some parts of the northeast region. All right, my great and wonderful people. Now, only this one of you take from this very message when basically they receive right now when it concerns the hometown of Ahmed Lawan, when it be the Senate president, when the hometown they on fire, even as we talk right now because of explosion. And before we leave, we make una share una opinion with us in the comment section. One question when it be say we want try to ask Ahmed Lawan now, anywhere when it be say in day, she in day happy now, right? In day happy now, right? Say if people did die because of all this issue of Boko Haram and similar people. Tomorrow now, he will still go sit down for the seat of Senate there. They say yea and nay. And after that one, all of them will go to their bed, go sleep. And every day, the same thing they happen. No action, no prosecution, no justice. Shey it dey good. And one thing when they say we see they assure them, shey it happen to ordinary people now. they no will take am serious. And the day when it be say it will happen to their mama, either their children, that day I believe say yes, they will do something serious. All right, my great and wonderful people, we will leave una make una share una own opinion with us in the comment section, even as we move down to another news. And moving on again, we also get this very one for our table when we say it concerned the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu when we say that they come outside boastfully to let the federal government of Nigeria know, say the 7 count charges when we say it still remain for the issue of Nnamdi Kanu, say then will also lay them to rest, just as they do to the last 8 when it be say they scatter for the last hearing. And as we already know, say now 15 charges now it be remain for the head of Nnamdi Kanu. But for the last hearing, this legal team they succeed to scatter 8 and it remains 7. And this 7 now in the still they assure the federal government of Nigeria say it not get any weight. So this very next hearing, say that they ready to face the federal government of Nigeria head to head to make sure say they scatter this remaining 7 count charges. All right, my great and wonderful people, we will do small reading from inside this very one, then we'll conclude together for the comment session. And as we put our hand there for inside this matter, the come make us understand, say, Owerri legal team of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, don't talk, say, they will compare the legal process to finally lay to rest the remaining 7 count charges when it say is still there for the Federal High Court of Abuja against the leader of IPOB when it say Nnamdi Kanu. And as we put our hand deep again, they can make us understand, say, the IPOB lead counsel, when it say in him na Ifeanyi Ejiofor, na he revealed this very matter to newsmen for Owerri after the legal team don't visit Nnamdi Kanu for the Department of State Services, when we say they call DSS, for Abuja on Monday. And as we put our hand deep again, the contour say Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor review say this one when it say in the talk so now part of the discussion when it say in discuss with Nnamdi Kanu for DSS detention center. And for us to conclude this matter, in contour say according to Ejiofor, say this one a routine court order when it say that they give them to visit the indefatigable leader of indigenous people of Biafra when it be say in name Nnamdi Kanu. When it be say they just conclude as in they review this very word, say the remaining 7 count charges when it be say the federal government of Nigeria still they hold against the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, say if they assure the federal government of Nigeria, say come next court hearing, they will make sure say they will scatter on the way when we say the fetish scatter the last 8. All right, my great and wonderful people, this one are the message when we say they receive right now from the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu when it be say yes, it they represent by Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. When it they make us they understand, say may anybody not get fear for his or her mind concerning the charges when it be say the federal government of Nigeria still the whole against Nnamdi Kanu when it be 7 charges when it remain. Say as they scatter the first 8, he still get confidence, say they will also scatter the remaining 7. All right, my great and wonderful people, before we leave, make una share una opinion with us on the comment section. I believe these people, they know the law and they understand the processes. I know, say, the federal government of Nigeria, they will also do their gimmicks to make sure, say, they get something when they say they hold for their own ground. And I still believe, say, these people, before it come outside, they talk like this, it still get its own facts. And the conclusion of all, now for us to pray to God to make sure, say, justice prevail for this very matter. We know, say, not be the right eyes of the federal government of Nigeria to serve justice to Nnamdi Kanu. But if God compare a man to do something, he not get choice than to do it the way when it be say it will please God and also will please man. And we believe, say, if justice never happen to anybody for inside this country, for the history of this country, Nigeria, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be the first person when they say yes, justice will prevail for your own matter. This one now our assured prayer. All right, my great and wonderful people, we'll leave on and make una do the rest of it for the comment section. And before then, we want you this medium to really appreciate each and every one of you when they say it remain with us up to this moment. God Almighty will bless you. Your effort towards us for the channel will not be taken for granted at all. For the way when they say the help of the share this broadcast and also your likes and your comment, we appreciate each and every one of them. I bet make you not forget to help us share this very one as well so that if we still reach our brothers and sisters all over the world because we believe and want to see information, now power. And as you do so, God Almighty will bless you. We would like to draw the conclusion of this program here. We will see you again when we see you. Remember, we love you all. Bye-bye.